Unleaded. 100 full tank. Ay, ano pala? 500 kuya. 500. 5.4 to eh. Okay na yan kuya. 460 is 4.75 liters lang. Grabe. I-reset natin to. Thank you. Let's go.